Pixel Fold. Let's talk about it.
Now everybody scream enough respect to the X. Enough respect given.
So with Google I/O over, let's address the elephant in the room. The leaked price of the Pixel Fold was indeed correct.
You can pre-order Pixel Fold starting today, and it'll ship next month.
Whew. $17.99 for Google's first. They make sure to tell you it's their first. Google's first foldable phone. Now, I get that you want to price your premium device at a premium price. You know, that makes sense. But you also need to think about your competition. And I'm sure that Google has all kinds of analysts that, you know, suggest what the MSRP of their devices should be, where they should fall in line to, you know, I don't want to say stand a chance, but where they should fall in line to be competitively priced. So the issue with that price tag is that the Galaxy Fold 4 and possibly even the Galaxy Fold 5 start at that exact price. To make things worse, the Galaxy Fold 4 as it stands now can be had at less than that price because it is almost a year old now. So it's constantly at various discounts on Samsung store, from carriers, on Amazon. You could easily get it for a few $100 off without looking too hard. But even if you were to pay full price for a Galaxy Fold 4, what you get for that price is still more than the Pixel Fold, at least from what they've told us, has to offer. The Pixel Fold gives you all of the Pixel software, a generously sized outer screen, and a 7.6-inch inner screen. You do get what they call desktop mode, which is the version of the Flex mode on the Z Fold 4. And you get, according to them, professional grade cameras. Now, we all know that the folding devices have been notorious for not having cameras that are on par with their slab counterparts. I guess because of the fold mechanisms and what goes into the hands, they just can't fit whatever is required to get, you know, that top grade camera system in those devices. According to Google, they were able to put a Pixel 7 camera, maybe a Pixel 8, but a Pixel camera, and just saying a Pixel camera is more than good enough for just about anybody, into the Pixel Fold. So that's what you get for your $17.99 price tag of the Fold. Now with the Z Fold 4, you get Samsung's entire ecosystem of devices, which is not just phones and tablets and watches. It's also PCs and refrigerators and cars and all kinds of other things that they make. But the Fold itself is waterproof. They didn't say that if the Pixel was waterproof, so that is still up in the air. You get their experience with the Fold devices. You know you are getting something that has been tried and tested, so it's tried and true. You also get the ability, if you so choose, to use an S Pen on the device to write down notes. You also get, depending on how you like your devices, a slimmer device to fit in your pocket, at least when it's folded. So it's quite a bit there, or it's quite a bit more that you get for the same price of the Pixel Fold. The Z Fold 4 just seems the better value at that price tag. Now, of course, I haven't got any hands-on time with the Pixel Fold as of yet, but just knowing what I know about the two devices, I just find it just the oddest thing that Google would price it so high. Now, granted, if you pre-order the Pixel Fold, they do give you a Pixel Watch. A Pixel Watch runs you $350. So if you were in the market for both of those devices anyway, that did drop the price of the Pixel Fold down to $1,450. Not a bad price for the Fold. Most people were thinking that the Fold would start around $1,200, $1,300. Between $1,300 and $1,500 was the safe zone for them. If they had stayed there, which is what the Fold comes down to if you pre-order and get the watch, I think that thing would have moved some units. Not to say that it won't. It just seems highly unlikely they'll move as much as they could have, simply because it is priced so high. Now, someone like me, I love a good foldable, but more so than a good foldable, I love a good value. I have my Pixel Watch right here. So you giving me a Pixel Watch does nothing for me whatsoever. I guess I could pre-order the device, get the watch, and then sell the watch to someone who might want the watch. But that still doesn't give me the $300 to $400 that I would love to get off of the price of that device. Let's pause this for 1 second. Just to put this in context, Google did announce 3 devices today: Pixel 7a, the Pixel Tab, and the Pixel Fold. Now, the price of the Pixel 7a is $500. Decently priced for what it is if you're in the market for a mid-range mobile device. The Pixel 7a might be the one to get because, again, Pixels are great phones. The smartest phones on the planet. They know how to utilize that AI to their benefit. Very good devices. The Pixel Tab might just be the best home tablet on the market. It's the newest one on the market. Again, has all of the Pixel smarts in it. Again, that Tensor chip to really boost that AI productivity. It comes with the speaker dock. So now you have a hub or a smart hub for any room in your home, and of course it's a Pixel tablet. So Google's version of Android, or Android for tablets, on a, according to them, beautiful 11-inch screen. So, you know, very, very, very compelling devices. Then you have the Pixel Fold. Pretty much the Pixel 7a and the Pixel Tab merged together, made more compact and able to fold. Now, the Pixel 7a and the Pixel Tablet are both $500. The Pixel Fold is $17,999. For that price, you could buy a Pixel 7a, a Pixel Tablet, a Pixel Watch, and because none of these devices have headphone jacks, a pair of Pixel Buds Pro, and still end up paying less than you would pay for the single Pixel Fold. It just doesn't make sense to me, the pricing of this thing. I mean, unless you really want a compact tablet in your pocket, if you have the money for the Fold, you might be better off just buying everything else in the Pixel line for this year, because you really could buy everything else and have money left over and probably get a better overall experience from those other devices. The Pixel 7a, there goes your portability right there. The Pixel Tab, there goes your large screen. The Pixel Buds Pro, there goes your amazing audio for both your phone and your tablet. And the Pixel Watch, the device to stay connected to your phone when you're on the go. Keep the lines of communication open. And probably control some of the tablet as well, as everything is interconnected. So, I don't know, man. I don't know. Maybe I'm missing something when it comes to the Pixel Fold. I'm not saying it's a bad device. Like I said, I haven't had hands-on time with it, and it does look like it's a pretty good foldable. I like how they said it was the thinnest foldable out. I'll have to compare that for myself. I like what it offers. I mean, it seems like a decent foldable, but not an $1,800 foldable, because they didn't show me anything new enough to garner that type of premium price. Especially with everything else they showed, which was priced so very well. So, I don't know. That's really what it comes down to. Pixel Fold, I don't know. But with that said, this is NG, the Neon X, and just confused at the pricing of the Pixel Fold, but excited for the device at the same time. This is what I'm into.